have arrived, Seville, Spain. We are here. No, it looks nothing like Portugal either. It's supposed to be flat, unlike Lisbon. And it's a lot smaller than Lisbon too. But we're here. We have arrived.
Over here.
We got lots of nice bridges and
Look
stuff.
at the restaurants.
Yes.
And that building.
Oh, I know.
That's weird. Round.
You know what? You know what? One thing Seville's known for besides flamingo? Architecture. That's why we have to take one hop off, so we can just get the lay of the land. Okay, hola, goodbye, signing off. We have arrived, Seville.